How are you? How are you? Oh, you're so cute. Hey, so it's like 12 something and I'm staying in bed this late because I have like no good lighting in my house. Didn't film in my room because I have my TV and AC on. I'm too lazy to turn it off. So I came out here in my living room and sleep by this light. Cool stuff. And my Canon's too heavy to hold because volume with that's like death. Like my big camera, so I'm using my phone for now. I'm gonna try and vlog with my like old camera, but I don't have batteries for it because this camera like needs batteries. But I think maybe on the way to the airport we'll stop at the store and I like that vlog because this will be so much easier because look. So stay tuned and I will be vlogging this year because like last year I gave up after like 4 days. I'm like, whatever, I don't need a vlog anymore because it's not that important. But it is, it's really fun actually. But so yeah, I like record everything anyway, so like might as well vlog it. And my hair was not polka dot. So someone came and built my like house. It was my mom because yeah, my cousin's asleep right now. I mean, what was I saying? My hair. So my mom straightened it earlier, but like this weather is like it's really humid, so it puffed up. This is what it looks like now. So before the airport, I might just like straighten it more, and then wish it stays long. My hair was kind of good. That lighting girl. Okay. Well, I ran it for like a good maybe 2 minutes, minute and a half. Wow, this lighting's really good because I don't look one drop tired. Anyway, what time is it? Omar? 3:15. We about to be out. Smile. Nice nose. We're out to Florida in like a few minutes. I would have vlogged earlier, but then I fell asleep under like a tree. And open up outfit. Shut up. And yeah. Play later. Lights at the airport. I'm at the airport. I didn't vlog in the car. Sorry. My parents didn't want me vlogging because the cab driver was like, no flash. It's dark. It's like 4 in the morning, and this place is full packed. Yes, I know. This place is mad packed. Like so packed, and it's only like 4 in the morning. Wait. I'm tired. So it's like 5 in the morning and I'm still online. We are finally through getting some food. Talk to you in a little bit. It's a video. Oh, okay. So our plane is right there. Yeah. Can you see? No, you can't see. Oh, you just see that? Terminal. Okay, I'll just turn the camera. 1 second. Can you hold this for a second? Look at the plane. I'm at the pool right now, and wow, my water's so good, my heart is cool. So I was in the pool. I just ate, so I had to wait. So I'm taking a tan right now. I can make you a bathing suit. It's from Walmart actually. Walmart has really good bathing suits, and I'm sorry if you can't really hear me because there is music. Yeah. And I started filming a video, so I'll have like a clip of it in here, and it'll probably be up before I even like put this up. So yeah. Oh, look at the palm trees in the background. So cool. So came back from the other pool number 12, and we're going back to the thingy. See if our room's ready. Yeah. So yeah. And I didn't vlog in the pool, obviously, because so we ate, and I didn't vlog that. I'm so sorry, but like it was like all you can eat. It's called CC, so it's all you can eat pizza. And I don't eat pizza, so there wasn't much to vlog. And we're debating, should we go to the pool or food shopping tonight? But I think my mom's leaning towards more food shopping. My dad's like, I'm tired, so I think my mom's gonna win this one because Florida water, it's like you can't drink it from the sink like New York water. You actually could drink from the sink because it's like really good. Florida water, it tastes like a swamp, and we have like nothing. We have like 3 bottles of water for the rest of the night, and like the store is so far down that way. So yeah, I feel so bad. I'm chewing gum, and it's probably sounds horrible on camera, but I'm trying not to chew it as I talk, which is weird. Yeah, I'm a terrible vlogger. Sorry about that. But I will be better tomorrow. It's not like we really did anything today. We just went to the pool. We went to the first pool and we went to the other pool. So. And we got a hotel. I will do a hotel tour tomorrow. That'll be cool. Until I do one of my vlogs. Or should I do like a whole video on hotel tour? If I don't do it tomorrow, I'm gonna do a whole video on it. Or comment down below. Because I'm uploading this on probably today. Today's Sunday. That was Monday. Probably on Tuesday night. Because on Wednesday, I'm going to Busch Gardens. My cousin's parents are staying here, and then my uncle's coming in, like my godfather, and he's my uncle too. Oh, he's not really my uncle, but like he's really good friends with my mom. Like they've been friends since they were kids, and yeah, I'm like telling you my whole life. Cool. And it's like 1 minute 40 seconds, and I need to get batteries for my camera, so that's why I've been using my phone, and I'm gonna delete all of this soon. Get batteries for my phone. But anyway, I'm chilling outside because my cousin's using the bathroom at the moment, so we're deciding what we're gonna do. And yeah. So we're going to Walmart in a few minutes, and we're waiting for the cab. Okay. There's like a gift store in the general area. I don't know what you would call this, like lobby, I guess. So it's like a villa, so like I don't know. It's a store. Even that ice cream, you can't see it. I have an ice cream. This is like full of candies and stuff. So currently like 8:30, and we got to Walmart. Walmart. What time did we get to Walmart? Like 6. We got here at like 6, and it's like 8:30 now. And like we got cool clothes. We didn't get cool ones like they have in like videos, like Vicky and Gabby them, because they didn't have here. I'll look for them though. Trying for those. Anyway, I just tried churros. They're mad good from Walmart. Churros. It's weird. They're so good though. So good. Omar, what are they? What are churros? Never mind. Hey guys. So I need that cold take a shower. I just got back. I'm gonna change my phone. Yeah, basically that. And then I'm probably gonna go to sleep or edit some maybe. Oh, lighting goals. But this is a weird book. I can close and turn on over here. Close. Is it turn off? My bad. When your English is horrible. Okay, whatever. Wanna shower? Peace. Bye. Okay, I'm going to sleep. It's like I don't even know what time it is, but think it's like 12. Anyway, TD. So shirt is old from dealers and my shorts are from Walmart. Walmart actually has really good shorts though. And my shoes are from not on right now, but I'm going to be wearing white Converse today, so yeah. I wasn't on all day yesterday. I just want to thank all of you guys for such nice comments, and yeah, thank you so much. And I'm uploading the video shortly. Well, yeah, shortly. Hey guys, so we ate breakfast and wow, I haven't vlogged in a while. I'm just in a store right now and I'm trying to get the camera closer to my face so you can hear me because there's music playing. Could you hear me? I hope you could hear me. Anyway, like this is what I have and whatnot. And yeah, it's actually pretty cute. And I feel like it's such a good price because there's yeah, it's pretty good. It's like $14.99, but that's not a girl shirt. And this, I'm in like the guy section. Become nice. Hello, Omar. Me, photographer life is me. So I took pictures with parrots and videos too. You're so cute. I want a parrot. Hello. How are you? How are you? Hello. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Hi.
See, he's excited. Hi.
I almost went on with the dough.
You do like a dog.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Let me put it on something.
Hi.
Look how cute this is. I love this stuff. But everyone's in my video. That's my cousin, that's my mom, and my dad just went out. So this is like in a second. Guys, come see this, so it's really cute. We don't even know what it's called. Just like very lights on the rail. And there's Disney toys. So cute.
Yo, Justin, watch my bedroom. We're going to take some to my brother.
Watching Bob's Burgers, my fave. And then my cousin's watching football over there. Yeah. So, good night if I don't say good night later. Bye! It's 12:07 and I've been editing for a while. And I'm also editing this really cool video. It's going to be cool, but I can't now play the sound because my cousin's sleeping. Okay, that's it. That's what you're getting to see. And I replied to some comments. There's two. Wait, focus. There's two comments I'm gonna reply to. And yeah. And go to sleep soon.